What's the meaning of coop? Coop. Coop.
Coop. Coop. The word coop has multiple meanings, depending on the context. It can refer to a small housing unit for chickens or other poultry, a small enclosed space for confining prisoners, or a business structure where people come together to pool their resources. In general, the term coop implies a sense of confinement or restriction. People or animals inside a coop are limited in their movements and freedom. Coops can be either physical structures or abstract concepts, such as co-op businesses. Ultimately, the meaning of coop depends on the specific context in which it is used.